Hi, Corey D'Agostine here from the In the Studio session. Nope, not a session. No.
Take two.
Hi, Corey D'Agostine here from the In the Studio series. I want to wish you a happy new year, and I hope you made a New Year's resolution to paint more in 2018. I want to let you know that we will be here with a live Q&A session Wednesday, February 7th at 3 o'clock p.m. That's New York time. I will be responding to some of the questions left over from our last session in September, live questions, obviously. And if you can't make that session, please feel free to drop a question down in the comments section below. I'll do my best to get to it. A couple of questions that we will be featuring include one from Cecilia Beck, who asks about de Kooning's paintings and how they fare over time. De Kooning used some unorthodox paint mixtures, as you know, and we'll talk about some of the ramifications of that as his paintings age. Argan Diego asks about how to increase the canvas tension after painting on it with a palette knife. Stretching a canvas, having a nice taut surface, losing some of that tautness by scraping, etc. How do you get it back? I have a couple good ideas for you. Another viewer asked, why not paint like yourself? In fact, we touched on this a bit last time, but it's a really important question. In fact, you can't do anything but paint like yourself, as much as you might try. Anyway, we'll delve back into that and explore that in a little bit more depth. So again, that's Wednesday, February 7th at 3 o'clock New York time. Please click on subscribe below and also click on the bell icon. That'll let you know when we go live so you don't miss us. I look forward to seeing you then.